SiaCoin Review. App: the pros, the cons. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts, meet the SiaCoin app, a platform for decentralized cloud storage powered by blockchain. But is it worth your attention? One of the biggest pros is security. Most people get this wrong by assuming cloud storage apps are all the same. SiaCoin encrypts your data and distributes it across multiple nodes worldwide, making it far more secure than traditional cloud storage. Even if a server goes offline, your files remain accessible. The app also offers affordability. By cutting out intermediaries, SiaCoin lets you rent storage space at lower costs than mainstream services. Users can pay using SiaCoin tokens, creating a seamless integration with the blockchain ecosystem. Decentralization is another key advantage. Unlike traditional providers that can face outages or data breaches, SiaCoin's distributed network ensures redundancy and privacy. This is especially valuable for sensitive data or long-term backups. However, there are cons. Some users find the app interface a bit technical, making it challenging for beginners. Transactions require understanding SiaCoin tokens and wallet management. Also, upload and download speeds can vary depending on node availability, which may frustrate users accustomed to instant access. In conclusion, the SiaCoin app is excellent for anyone prioritizing secure, decentralized, and cost-effective storage. The surprising truth is that while it offers strong privacy and affordability, casual users may face a learning curve before fully benefiting from its features. For anyone ready to explore blockchain-based storage, SiaCoin provides a unique, secure, and innovative approach that goes beyond conventional cloud services.